issue of injustice. And injustice to one is an injustice to all. I get a very good brother for the house where we say he can't tell us the challenges when they face for the Oga hand. I talked last time, say so many Oga dey inside market. When I go bring another person pikin from village, may serve them at times 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. After they don't use the boy finish, use another person pikin finish. Instead of to settle them, a month to settlement or 2 months to settlement, they go put evil allegation for that boy head. At the end of the day, they go tell the boy say, make you go call you who you go call come. Say they not go settle them again. So we get one of our brother wey be say na from eastern Nigeria. Now he come Edo State come serve. It's a very painful and touching story. All the way from east. Now they bring am make come serve for Edo State. And this person wey go bring am come na still from eastern Nigeria. So I want every Edo people all over the world to contribute their quota. Every Nigeria all over the world, most especially the Igbo people all over the world, to contribute their quota for this ugly story. How you will use another man pikin for 8 years, at the end of the day, you still go lock am for police station. My brother, what is your name?
My name is Okeze.
Okeze, from where?
I'm from Anambra.
Anambra. Aguleri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is our brother from Aguleri. How many years you say you serve your master?
I serve am 8 years.
8 years?
Yes, sir.
What did you sell for am before?
I dey sell sweet, follow am provision.
Okay, this very person wey we dey talk so, this oga wey be say this boy serve, we don go do research. They say na so they bring boys come Benin, come use them. 8 years, at times 9 years, you know they settle anyone. Na police, na they arrest them, the boys will come go. Okay, say serve 8 years for this master hand. Say sweet, follow am for complete 8 years. Make a lot of money for this Ioga. At the end of the day, he call Okeze, say he know say your 8 years don't complete. Say he never get money to settle you. Make you exercise patience. That is 2020. Now you go to tell Okeze this ugly story. Say he go settle am by January. Now January we dey so 2021. My people, now know wetin come happen. You come see one phone for Okeze hand. He say, where you see money take buy this phone? Now Okeze tell am say, na him friend wey dey gather serve wey dey don settle, na him give am the phone make he dey use first because he no get phone. Oga say, na him money take buy phone o, so therefore he no go settle Okeze. He carry Okeze go Aduwawa police station. They go lock Okeze for Aduwawa police station. Okeze and the elder brother for many days for inside Aduwawa police station. TPO Aduwawa division. This one an ugly story. I don't expect you to go lock innocent person like that. I think IG of police, Inspector General of Police, me and you don't see one-on-one for Asaba when I tell you some of all these issues where we say if they make cuts they increase for Edo State. This kind of person now where we say Oga don use for complete 8 years, he no wan settle am. And this boy now, Oga still go lock am for station. And you wan say this kind of boy now, if you get bad friends for outside, they go influence and put for court or for armed robbery, you no go dey do am. That is why we quick call and come to make sure say we sell this story out. Inspector General of Police, we want you to contribute your quota for this matter, because many oga for inside the Edo market where they go bring boys from village, if they don't use them finish, they not agree settle them. Okay, Zay, how many days you stay for inside cell?
I stay 4 days.
Who lock you for inside cell?
Na my oga lock me inside.
Wetin say happen? Just tell our viewers the story.
Wetin happen be say I collect 700,000. Since I dey stay with am 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, the 8 years reach wey go settle me. Say he no get money to settle me. Say COVID-19 dey my wait January. Say January may settle me. January don reach now. He change stock again. Say na 700,000 he lost. Wetin he come do again be say carry police arrest me and my brother wey come settle the issue. He arrest us. for 4 days we dey sell, we no eat, nobody dey ask of us. Na till I come my people come dey meet am for market before we come carry the matter come here. So wetin I dey beg government be say the matter don pass me, I no know as I wan take do am. I no fit serve person for good 8 years. E reach now to free me, no wan free me. I dey beg governor, I dey beg all police commissioner make dem look into this matter. Na beg I dey, the matter don tire me.
Yes, the matter don really tire everybody, but you go get justice. You know say human rights, anything wey human rights don start you must finish am. But wetin I wan find out again, this your oga, where he for dey do this business, where una for dey do this business wey you say serve am for 8 years?
Na for Mission Road o.
Okay, if you dey sell for Mission Road, this video begin to share am. If you dey diaspora, share this video. Anywhere where you dey see this video, dey share am to make sure say all the people wey be say dem dey involved for all this matter to dey carry boys for village, use boys, dem no go gree settle dem. Na one of the root cause wey make armed robbers cultists come full everywhere. Because the truth of the matter be say you no fit go carry another person pikin for village and the mama and the papa dey expect after 8 years you go settle am. Wetin dey wan take you to settle am? Provide shop for am, give am the small money wey you wan give am make e take start market. Instead you come put evil allegation for im head, carry police lock am. E come well for inside our market. E come well and the traders welfare union will continue to expose all these oga wey dey do all these things to their boys. Not just only oppressing Okeze, e other brother wey come from Lagos, okay, make e come settle the oga and this Okeze. The oga say make dem still lock and join. Which kind power you get and which kind money you get? And information reaching us say the oga fit dey claim 147,000, right?
Yes, sir.
He say 147,000.
Yes, sir.
Now they lost.
Yes.
Before in-law come, in-law come say they say na 700,000.
Yes.
All these things na to buy time, not to settle Okeze. So we are calling on Idimbo all over the world. Idimbo, Igbo people all over the world, share this video because the thing come on well for inside our market. You go carry boy, make e come serve you for city. After serving you, story go come. See am Okeze na principal witness. You know when we dey talk at times like this, e go be like say we be prophet. Even November 2020, I talk this issue. You see boys for inside market wey serve oga, wetin dem dey do now na also here. Boys wey be say dem serve oga complete 7 to 8 years, at times 9 years. Now dem dey inside market, oga no gree settle dem. Come check it how they do for inside market. They do also here for inside market. You waste person complete 8 years. You waste person complete 8 years. Before Okeze use that 8 years, they do lebuke. Use and do lebuke or use and go they carry another person load. You know how much you go don save? So this video, we just dey do am to expose all these people wey dey call themselves oga wey dey go carry another person pikin. Wetin dem no go do to you, wetin dem no go do to your pikin, no do am to another person. After Okeze don serve complete 8 years, instead when you go take settle am, you say you no get money, COVID-19 dey, this one now January I will settle you. January now don reach, you don cook story say Okeze don thief your 147,000. Later you say na 700,000 to make sure say make you no settle the boy. Remember say na another person pikin na you dey do that thing to. E get mama, e get brothers, e get sisters wey dey look unto am say after e don serve finish, oga go settle am. Now the reverse is the case. You carry police, you settle police, make the policeman dey beat you.
They beat me.
They beat you.
Yes.
Wetin happen for the station? I do our police station, I do our divisional police station for Ikobahi. Now they lock this innocent pikin for 4 days and the other brother. Wetin happen for station there?
As I wan talk, they no let me talk.
They no let you talk?
They no let me talk for there.
You write statement?
I write.
Who write am for you?
Na Jackson.
Na be the IPO name?
Yes.
Jackson?
Yes.
For Aduawa police station?
Yes.
Alright, Inspector General of Police. All the security agents, na the new system wey all this oga wey get shop wey dey go bring boys for village dey use be this. When boys don serve them finish, the time to settle them, they go come put evil allegation for the boy head. The boy sef go dey run for their life, not be settlement go dey talk again. But okay, say story no go be like that, because give me the story of that your clothes. You no gree make carry any cloth.
You no gree make I carry my cloth.
I hear say na boss as you take comot for the house.
Yes, na boss I still wear take go back.
Na you take go police station.
Yes.
Na you take go police station.
Na boss I wear take go police station. I no wear slippers. I no even wear shirt. No only bossa. My brother wear bossa and shirt. He no wear slippers. When I dey come back, na that the same bossa. Na my mama come buy me one shirt for her mat and this slippers wey I wear so.
Sure. Person wey serve 8 years.
And my mama come buy me the slippers.
Person wey serve 8 years with oga.
For Ramat back as we dey come back.
Your mama from east come?
Yes, my mommy from east come because of the matter.
Can you imagine? It's a very touching story.